Hello and welcome back. This is Cara Brandon. Today I have a one-page create or a quick create. It's been called different things. I'm going to take a page from the Spring Up and Bloom kit, and what I did is I printed it double-sided and I tried printing it, the correct way. However, this side is upside down. But for this project, it will be just fine because we're going to fold up this bottom and then it'll be right side up. So a happy little accident that will work out. Along with this, I'm going to use some tickets from the Tickets and More Digital Tickets kit. That's a mouthful. Which is this one that has all of the different tickets in different colors. So I know I'm saying it's a one page. It's one journal page and then some ephemera. I'm cheating a little bit. So what I did with the tickets is I printed them out, and then not all of them, but the ones that match the page. I printed them in the blue, and then I shrunk the teal page to 65%. So these, where's this one? I'm just going to show you the difference. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so here is the regular size, and then this is 65%, so quite a bit smaller. The only thing about shrinking them is then you waste a lot of paper, which is a bummer. So I think I'm going to make this kit again, but with the smaller size. So look for that. I think that's what I want to kind of work on. So anyway, here's the blue page at regular size and then 65%. Okay, I will link below where I got the idea for this journal page. It was not my original idea. I can't think of her name. But yeah, I was thinking maybe it would come to me, but it's not. But I will link her video below. She really goes into detail about measuring and all that good stuff. So if you are a measurer, you definitely want to check her out. I'm just going to kind of go with the flow. I'm not going to worry too much about measurements. I'm just going to see how it goes. And then this, if you didn't want to use a digital page, you could definitely use a one-sided or two-sided, piece of scrapbook, book page, whatever you want. But I thought it would be fun to use the new kit. All right, so I'm going to fold. This bottom part is going to end up being a pocket for the little insert thing that we're making. So I'm going to fold it up, and I will let you know about what I did here. So about 2 inches-ish, right? And then I'm going to fold it in thirds. So I'm going to bring it in, and then before I fold it down, I kind of do this. I kind of get an idea of where that would be. Now again, if you're a measurer, if you like to be precise, then A, this might be driving you crazy, and B, I will link the video below. But for my non-measurers, this will be fine. Okay, so I got an idea of where the thirds will be. And then now I'm gonna press it down and fold it. And you might want to get your bone folder. This is just regular printer paper, so this one's not very thick. All right, so now we have this. So we have it folded up and we have it folded in thirds. So then I'm gonna take this part and I'm gonna fold this triangle back, but I'm not gonna go over this folded line. I'm gonna go a little bit in, just a smidgen, like that. Kind of a bummer that we're gonna miss the bird. Oh, look, his bird head got chopped off. So what if we took this one and went this way? So then you don't see that his bird, there we go. Okay, and then we'll take this one and fold this one back. So you can do it either way. And then fold that. So now we have one coming forward and one flap going back like this. And then what it's going to look like when it's kind of put together is something like this. My son just let the dog in here. Apparently the dog was bothering him. So there we go. So something like that. And again, if this would be white, so let me show you my other one I made. This one is from Blushing Blooms. I made this one kind of as my tester. And this was a one-sided piece of paper. So you'll see the difference where I folded one back and one forward. And then you can see the white. So if you don't like that, you could either fold this part up, right, to cover the white, or you could tape, you know, collage over that or whatever, or ink, you know, there's lots of options. And here's what it looks like on a double-sided piece of paper. So now we're just gonna add some glue. Oh, me and my glue. Let's cross our fingers. I cleaned this one out, so hopefully this one is not gonna give me problems. You know what? What if, I just want to see what it would look like if we fold it the other direction, because I really like this peach showing, and then have the background more as the background. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I like that. Ooh, yes. Whoa, there it is. Okay, that's good. Okay, same idea, I just flipped it around. All right, so I'm gonna glue here, and I'm gonna add some glue here for the pocket, and here, and here. You probably only need glue on the outside edges, but I'm just gonna go ahead and glue those. I'm gonna glue this down. Again, if you want this to be a tuck, you could leave it open. I'm gonna glue this one down. This kit is currently 50%. I'm sad about my bird. Well, I interrupted myself. This kit is currently 50% off in the Etsy store. It'll be on sale through Saturday. I'm not sure. Whatever the date is, I forget. Okay, so now, or do we want to fold it like this? No, I want it like this because I want the pocket on the inside. Okay, so then from here, you can ink, you can embellish, oh, you can drop your inker. You can choke. Oh my gosh, I was trying to talk and cough at the same time. Sorry about that. Yes, I'm just gonna add, I guess, a little bit of ink. A little bit here and there. Okay. And then you can do whatever. This could be like this one, where I added some tags. And then you could just stick this into a journal or glue 3 sides, and then you could have a tuck up there. But for this one, I thought it would be fun to add some of these tickets and then also embellish with the tickets. So then this would be a little holder for your tickets in your journal. And so when you're decorating your journal and using it, you would have your little tickets ready to go. Did I just glue that? No, I almost did. Oh my gosh. I want to glue it. So I'm just going to fill these in like that. Yeah. And then I'm going to add a couple decorations. Oh, this is a nice tall one. And you wouldn't have to do if you printed this kit. I mean, I just did the teal and the blue, but there's plenty of tickets where you wouldn't have to just do this. And then I think I have some lace we can add, and then we'll decorate. I think I'm gonna do right here. And then we'll decorate the front. And that's a super quick, fun little project. And then if you had a whole bunch or you had scrapbook pages all ready to go, you could sit even in front of the TV and just make a bunch of these. And these would be great Happy Mail. Wouldn't those be fun to send off? They would be great if you sell your journals, to add as a little thank you in your journal. All sorts of fun things. All right. Yeah. And then let's add maybe some lace right here. I think I mentioned the Spring Up and Bloom kit is 50% off, but I forgot to mention the ticket kit is also 50% off through Saturday. Oh man, I barely have any of this left. So how about, I was gonna try and do there, but I don't have enough. So how about right on the bottom? Add another ticket. And I love that. I love to rip the tickets, so it's fun that these tickets are they've already been ripped. I also still need to try the tickets in the oh, my brother, Scan and Cut. I haven't. Because I think with the Scan and Cut, if it works, my Scan and Cut and I don't always get along. But if it worked, it'd be cool because it would do the ripped edges, which would be really nice. Trying to see if I have, stick this one back there. All right. Put this back in the tin for another time. And here we go, super simple. And it turns out really cute. You could decorate the back if you want. So fun. And now, oh gosh. And now you have a little ticket holder or a little ephemera holder. You can put tags, whatever. Yay. All right. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.